Hello everyone. So today we're going to do an unboxing of the olloclip active lens. I grabbed this bad boy up from Digital Walker's sale in the Philippines. This one is for the iPhone 6s. Yep, original price was 4,550 pesos in Philippines, but it was on sale for about 70% off, so around 450 I think. Yeah, so when you open it, you'll see the overview of the clip-on lens. There's the ultra wide, there's a telephoto, and there's a way for you to wear it like a pendant, so you can grab it on the go. So the good thing about this is it's very small. You can bring it on the go when you travel. Before we go to the lens itself, so let's just open what's inside. So there is a pouch and a strap. So you can see here it says olloclip. Okay, and you can attach it to the clip using this. And then there is a pouch you can carry on the go. So what's inside? So let's see. Alright, so there's an extra, I think this is the converter for you to use it for your iPhone 6s, the smaller one. There are two lens cups, and the pouch is quite neat. It says olloclip here. We have two colors for the attachable pendant. So you can hook up this ring here, or you can attach it to the strap. So let's focus on the lens itself. Put this aside. So it says here olloclip ultra wide, and then here is the olloclip telephoto 2 times. So if you remove this detachable clip, so you'll be able to put this on your iPhone. You can use the telephoto or the ultra wide on your front camera at the same time the other on the back camera. I think you just have to align the iPhone camera. There you go. We just increase the brightness. Right now, as you can see, it's zooming what we have on our camera already. Here is the iPhone 6s with the ultra wide lens from olloclip attached, and if we switch it to the front camera, it's zoomed in. There you go.